Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a password within the AndroMoney application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AndroMoney expense tracker application on your device. And as you notice, you will be taken into your homepage right away. Now, if you wish to secure your account by using a password, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. From here, you can scroll down and then tap on Settings. Within the settings page, scroll all the way down until you see the screen lock section. Then just check the password box and you will now be asked to enter your desired password. After entering your desired password, you will need to type it in once again for confirmation. Then click on the OK button and you will be asked to enter the email address that you would like to use in case you forget this password. You can enter your desired email address and then click on OK. This will now save your email address as well as your account password. If at any point you wish to turn this off, you can uncheck the checkbox and then provide your password for authentication. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up a password on the AndroMoney expense tracking application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.